Alright, what's going on YouTube? So, I just got some carbon fiber mirror caps today. So I'm going to put those on, and I also got some LED lights for these, but I'm going to change them out to some smoked ones, just because I think they look a little better. But what you got to start off with is you got to tilt this mirror all the way up, high as you can go, so you can get a little lip here at the bottom, so you can get your actual tool in there, and then you can pop the mirror out. Now be super careful. Definitely do not do this when it's cold outside. Definitely do it when it's warm, because you could actually end up turning this into an expensive job. Alright, now once you get the glass piece out and you get the cap off, there's going to be a few little tabs on the inside. You won't be able to see them, but one's up here, one's over here, and then one's over here. You just got to literally pinch them and then make sure you put some tension. So I would start over here and work your way over, and then so I would pinch them and then put your hand here and like kind of pull on it a little, and then you'll be able to get it out. And then what you need to do next is there are some screws on the inside. You just need to take them out. So there's some screws on the inside, you just gotta take them out. Now I got the other one out. Now, the two that are over here, so you're gonna have one right here and then one over here. Oh, you can't really see it. One's right here and then one is literally right here, where this circle is right here. So right here and over here. They're gonna be a little bit longer. So these two always go over here. And then you're gonna have a few more on the top here. One in here. There's another one right here. Bottom down here that I'm getting. Alright, pretty easy. I'm just trying to use my hand to get it out. It's gonna be right here. Boom. So my camera kind of like cut out there. I don't know why. So what you want to do is, I don't know when it stopped recording, you want to lift up on this freaking tab if it wants to freaking lift up. Okay, it's just stuck a little. There we go. There we go. All right, sweet. So then now it's out. So I don't know why it's a little blue in there. I don't know if there's water that got in there or what, but we're not using that anymore. We can go ahead and put this into place. These, you'll see it on there. It's not that hard to do. You just need to pop it into place. It'll go into place. You just got to do it. All right. So I don't have much time, but basically you just want to plug it back in. All right, if I could do that. Okay, so mine actually snapped in, so that's good. Then you just want to slide it back in there. Now this is the hard, tricky part, because it like wants to fight you. It's the hard, tricky part. I'll be right back with you when I get it. So now that I got it, it should just line up into place. The whole thing should want to, which it looks like it wants to actually. So now we can go ahead and put the screws back in. Yeah, I would do a quick check on it really quick. Hang on, let me show you. So as you can see, I turned the car on and the light's working. So that's a good sign, and it's not blinking fast, so that's good. So now you can just continue to what you're doing. So now that we're putting everything back together, you can put some screws in, like what I'm doing right now. Not making them horribly tight, but I'm making them tight enough so that my thing doesn't fall off later. And now that I have all of it back together, all the screws are in, we can take our carbon fiber mirror caps that I ordered, and then you can just pop it on in. should just pop right into place. It's pretty simple and easy, not that hard. And then boom. Now we get the mirror cap on, and you can see everything lines up super flush, looks clean. Boom, yeah. And then you can put your glass back on, and then you're all set.